Welcome to Woodcrest Villa by Tandem Living. We're here in the dining room. We have all of our demo done in here. We're working on finishing up our mechanical, electrical, and plumbing rough-ins, and hoping to get started on ceilings next week. And our big hood for the kitchen is going to be going in next week as well. Hey, we're here at the corridors up on 4th floor. We are in a process of finishing our painting, and then we just have to work on the elevator lobby. Down to 3rd floor, we're at the same spot, just wrapping up painting, and then the elevator lobby. 2nd floor here, we have one side completely finished, and we're trying to finish up the 2nd side as well. Down on 1st floor, we have handrail. We just put handrail on the one finished side. We're moving back to the other side so we can start skimming that and priming that. And then in the terrace level on the ground, we just did the same thing. We're moving handrail over to the finished side, and then we'll be starting the 2nd side. So thanks for visiting. Next time in the corridors, our 4th, 3rd, and 2nd floors will be just about wrapped up. And 1st floor and the ground level, we'll be working on the 2nd side finish. In the dining room, we should be looking at putting tile in, possibly some painting, and working on finishing our ceilings out. See you next time.